An honor that you're all over here, especially a big thanks to owner of the Canadian franchise and their family, who actually came all the way from Augusta, Georgia. So a big round of applause for them for taking the time. What has made them come here is a big question. And the answer to that is believing in us, believing in American Premier League. They believe in the idea. They saw what American Premier League accomplished last year, and they want to be part of it. Just, they weren't here a couple of weeks ago, but most of you people were here. We had 4 teams that joined hands with American Premier League 2 weeks ago. So just want to let you know that you guys are coming at the right time, and I assure you just how we made American Premier League, our inaugural season, successful. APL 2022 will be a show to watch.
Yay!
Now, getting back to your question, Mo, that what made me do this. Obviously, cricket is in my blood, just like all other Southeast Asian people from India, Pakistan, kids growing up, Delhi, Lahore, Mumbai, Karachi. We grew up playing cricket on the streets. Cricket is in our blood. It's something that we grew up with. It's something that's in us. So when I came to the United States, it kind of hurt me to see the sport that we all love, and United States of America is the biggest sports market, and where's the disconnect? Cricket is the second most popular sport in America, is one of the biggest sports markets. So I had to put a research and development team together, which came up with the idea of actually naming the teams based off of the cricket living communities. And that's what we did. As far as I'm concerned, I'm a guy who, once I've set my mind to something, I never give up. Like I said a couple of weeks ago, I'm like a soldier in a battlefield. I have just 2 choices, either win or die.
We know that. Yeah.
So rest assured, I will work with the same dedication for the 2022 season, and we will make American Premier League. Our vision is to make American Premier League, and let there be no mistake, American Premier League is going to be the #1 league in America.
Question, Jay. I know you are working with Sohail Anjum and opening a cricket stadium. So what are your more future plans for us to know? Like, where is it going? Where is it going?
Absolutely. Before I answer your question, I would like to thank Sohail Anjum. This is the second time he has provided us this beautiful facility to host the American Premier League event. I'm very impressed with Sohail Anjum. He's a visionary. I see a lot of my traits in him, and he has come up on board American Premier League, and we have already started work on building an international level cricket stadium right here in New Jersey.
Wow.
So that's our vision. Our vision is to reach new heights that we can only imagine. Have an actual international cricket stadium, make American Premier League the best league in the country. And just want to let you know, last year when I first started, there was only 5 people in the room when I first launched it. There was very few people who believed in me, and I believed in them. And they came on board, we joined hands, and it's very few people who put this whole thing together. And believe it or not, we launched it in March last year, and by September, American Premier League was echoing all across the globe. And when we unveiled our production, people were in shock. They had never seen production at this level before in the United States. We had 3rd umpires, we had run-out decisions made on 3rd umpire. Production was top-notch, and the opening ceremony, when people came to the stadium, especially the players, they were in shock because they had never seen anything like this in the United States. We played national anthems of all the teams. Players told me they got emotional when they went up on the stage. We had Tesher, who came and played Jalebi Baby. That was a lot of fun. We had Shazia Manzoor come perform. We had Bollywood dancers. We had a Junoon concert on the opening ceremony. It was awesome. We had fireworks, and we gave a beautiful Corvette to the man of the tournament. These are all the things that American Premier that never been done before. So this is what makes us different from everybody else. We do things that people follow. We lead, and people follow.
Quick question. So, when you do this cricket tournament, what kind of media coverage, what kind of cameras you're using? Do you know? I don't know anything about it.
Yes, so normally the trend has been so far in America, cameras, people normally use about 3 camera productions. So American Premier League was the first one last year. We did a 10 camera production.
Wow.
And this year we're doing an 18 camera production with DRS review system. So, and also it's going to be live broadcast on into 50 different countries. So this year is going to be much bigger. We also have moved the tournament to Florida, which is an actual proper ICC approved cricket stadium. So you're going to see a tournament that you have never seen before in the United States. And cricket is at a historic juncture in America. I believe this is the time to get involved. APL is ahead of the game, and all these people who have, beautiful people who have come on board. Ali, thank you very much. He was the first one who joined hands with me. Followed by Victoria, and then Sal Sayed. I would love to tell everybody that all these beautiful animations, content creation, pictures, everything is done by Sal Media. So Sal, thank you very much. You're once again the backbone of American Premier League. A lot of people probably over here don't know about Sam Khan. Sam Khan has done a lot of work in the community. He's very well known in New Jersey. His main focus is to bring communities together. He has done a stellar job in bringing Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladeshis all together. And thank you very much for your services, Sam. And also, based off of that, I would like to everyone to know that who we are. And I'm going to say it in Hindi. हम सबको इस चीज़ का पता होना चाहिए कि हम कौन हैं, चाहे हम पाकिस्तान से हैं, इंडिया से हैं, लेकिन हम जिस इलाके से आते हैं, हम वो लोग हैं जो तारीख से डरते नहीं, जो तारीख से छुपते नहीं, जो तारीख की आंखों में आंखें डालकर तारीख को बनाते हैं। और इसी अज़म और जज्बे के ज़रिए पिछले साल हमने 5 महीनों में क्रिकेट की वो तारीख रकम की है जो आज से पहले कोई नहीं कर सका। I'm gonna not take too much of your time. Once again, thank you to everyone who has believed in American Premier League. We are on an exciting journey. We're gonna have our tournament in Florida this year. It's gonna be wonderful. It's gonna be exciting. We're gonna have an even better opening ceremony. The prize money this year is $200,000, which is also one of the top prize money ever given in the United States. Believing is very important. A lesson for anybody, if there's some cricket players here, business owners, always believe in yourself. If you have a dream, if you have vision, never give up. Never say never, because until it's done, you wouldn't know what you have missed out on. So thank you very much, everyone. And I assure you, we are going to build a stadium. We are going to have a wonderful cricket tournament this year. And to all the naysayers, message for you, American Premier League is going to be the #1 league in this country. And I'll see you all in Florida. Have a great day. And ladies and gentlemen, do not go away. Please have dinner. We have wonderful entertainment after this. So thank you so much. Enjoy.